Hello guys. So, are you looking to get more out of your travels and enjoy exclusive perks at Hard Rock locations worldwide? Unity by Hard Rock brings together hotels, casinos, cafes, and more into one powerful rewards program. Stick around as we break down the benefits, tiers, and what you need to know before jumping in. Unity by Hard Rock is a global loyalty program designed to bring together the various branches of the Hard Rock brand, including their hotels, casinos, cafes, and rock shops, into a single rewards ecosystem. This program aims to bridge the gap between casual dining and high-stakes gaming, which is a bit different from your standard hotel or casino loyalty programs that usually focus on just one area. By unifying all these services under one reward system, Unity allows customers to enjoy the benefits no matter where they interact with the brand, whether it's enjoying a meal, staying at a hotel, or hitting the casino. There are 4 distinct tiers to this program, based on the tier credits earned throughout a calendar year. You start at the Star tier if you have between 0 and 3,999 credits. Once you hit 4,000 credits, you move into the Legend tier, which goes up to 14,999. From 15,000 credits and up, you reach the Icon tier. There is also an invite-only tier known as X, which is reserved for the top VIP guests. These tier levels are designed to reward loyalty, with each one offering progressively better perks and benefits, so you can move up through the system as you engage with Hard Rock's various offerings. The main appeal here is the global versatility, because you can earn and redeem points at over 200 locations worldwide. This is a huge benefit if you travel frequently. Imagine visiting a cafe in London, a casino in Florida, and a hotel in Punta Cana. Your spending in all these places goes into one single pot. This makes it easy for frequent travelers and business owners to maximize the value of their spending. Even for those at the entry-level Star tier, there are nice perks like a free birthday dessert and member-only rates on hotel stays. These small rewards can make a big difference in the overall experience, especially if you're just getting started with the program. One of the standout features of this program is the partnership with Royal Caribbean and Celebrity Cruises. People in the higher Icon and X tiers can actually qualify for complimentary annual cruises, a truly unique perk in any loyalty program. While those in the lower tiers still get 5 to 10% discounts on staterooms, this is a significant savings for anyone looking to travel on a cruise. It also offers a genuine rockstar experience, such as priority seating at cafes to skip long lines, room upgrades, and late checkouts of up to 3 hours for Icon members. For travelers, these perks add tremendous value, turning an ordinary stay into something a bit more special and memorable. For people living in states where sports betting is legal, the integration with Hard Rock Bet allows for earning tier credits through online betting, which is a rare synergy to see in this industry. This feature adds a new dimension to the program and opens up earning opportunities beyond just dining, shopping, and gaming in person. You can engage in online betting and still earn rewards, which is a nice touch for sports enthusiasts. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. The complexity of earning points is a major hurdle because the rates vary significantly depending on whether you are gaming, dining, or shopping. For instance, it's much harder to reach an elite status just by eating at the cafes compared to playing at a casino, where you earn points much faster. There are also some frustrating exclusions and inconsistencies across the brand. For instance, the Hard Rock Hotel in Orlando does not offer full Unity benefits because of its partnership with Loews Hotels. This is a major point to consider if you plan on using your points at specific locations. Additionally, there is a risk of devaluation because the point values can be confusing. While 100 Unity points typically equal $1 for redemption, the speed at which you earn those points can feel very slow if you are not a gamer. For non-gamers, this can be a downside as their earning rate may not be as fast as someone who spends significant time at the casino. Furthermore, tier credits reset annually, so you have to maintain a high level of brand loyalty every single year just to keep your status. This annual reset can be a bit challenging, especially if you're not able to engage with Hard Rock frequently. This program is definitely worth joining if someone is a frequent traveler or gamer. If you visit seminal gaming locations or stay at Hard Rock hotels 2 or 3 times a year, the Star benefits alone make it worth the short sign-up process. It's also great for those who love the brand and collect pins or shirts, as the 10 to 20% retail discount provides immediate savings. The cruise discounts are also some of the best available in any loyalty space, which is another huge draw for those who love to travel and explore new destinations. On the other hand, it might be worth skipping if you are a one-category customer. If you only visit a cafe once a year for a burger, you will probably never earn enough points for a significant redemption. It's also not the best fit for those who prefer quiet luxury, as the brand is very high energy and music-centric. If you're looking for a more serene, luxury hotel experience, Hard Rock may not be the best choice. The lively, music-infused atmosphere is perfect for those who enjoy an energetic environment, but less suited to those seeking a peaceful retreat. In summary, Unity by Hard Rock is a broad and ambitious program that offers great rewards for those who fully lean into the Hard Rock lifestyle, especially for gamers and cruisers. The global versatility, travel perks, and the opportunity to earn rewards from multiple categories are excellent benefits for frequent travelers or regular casino goers. However, the risks include a confusing earning structure, the fact that tier credits reset every year, which forces constant spending to maintain status, and the reality that non-gamers will find the path to meaningful rewards much slower. There is also the risk of inconsistency, where certain flagship locations might not honor the full list of benefits, which can be a letdown for loyal members. It's important to weigh these factors before diving into the program, but for the right audience, Unity offers a compelling and rewarding experience.